Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download updates for your Call of Duty Mobile. And to do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. In this case, I'm using the Android smartphone. If you're using something else like iPhone, you'll need to go for the App Store. And in any other smartphone, you might have like a Samsung Store or Huawei App Store. I'm not sure how it's called there, but okay. Open a store of your choice and look for the Call of Duty. Now right here you can see the game, so click on it, and if there's any updates available, you'll be able to see the update right here. Click on it and the update should download. Also, you can click on these three dots and here enable the auto update, and that way the game will always update automatically. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.